Hello, this is Intonation Workshop. The title is How Am I Supposed to Live Without You? I could hardly believe it. When I heard the news today, I had to come and get it straight from you. Why did he say you were leaving? Someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, as is true. So tell me all about it. Tell me about the plan you're making. Then tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on when all I've been living for is gone? I didn't come here for crying. I didn't come here to break down. Just a dream of mine is coming to an end. How can I blame you when I build my world around the hope that one day we'll be so much more than friends?